Welcome to Nevada, and right on the state line we have the start of the casinos. They waste no time getting your money.
Use the money.
I see something exciting ahead. The Wendover Will. This is the world's tallest cowboy.
Well, guess we're really done now. Now we've finally seen it all.
Oh, I love it. I love him. I love the cowboy. Okay, now I don't know where we're going because we detoured to see the cowboy.
Oh, yeah?
We are at our very first KOA. I can't believe we've never stayed at one before.
In 8 years of full time, not one KOA.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Well, they're expensive.
But
I mean, for us.
Yeah, but it's a nice little treat. There's a laundry room and like a really nice laundry room, pool tables.
We're definitely here to take advantage. It's a chore day. I gotta just totally clean the back. We're just dusty from being on all the dispersed camping areas, and we need to do laundry. All the bedding's going, dog blankets, everything is getting washed.
And
so.
I need to kick your butt in a game of pool.
There's a pool table over there.
Several of them.
I'm not good at pool.
So we picked the economy site, which is basically just in the gravel, but it's full hookup.
Yeah.
And for I think $14 more, we could have a patch of grass and a picnic table.
One little patch of grass, but you know what? We're just here doing chores, so we don't even care. How much was it? 58?
Yeah.
$52 for, it is what it is.
Super nice people.
Yeah, really nice. So yeah, this is in Elko, Nevada. All right.
It's clean.
Let's get these,
Oh,
all this laundry going. I gotta go through everything and strip the bed, and she just wants cuddles.
She had a rough night of sleeping.
Yeah. And a rough day of sleeping. All right, I gotta get going.
Let's see if the camera picks this up.
I see the double. I didn't see it before.
Wow, that is so cool.
Whoa. That's awesome.
Must mean something good's gonna happen.
Well, I'm looking at the ends of them. I don't see a pot of gold, but oh, cool. Well, the camper's all scrubbed. Tanks are fresh, tanks full. Black and gray are empty. The only thing now, we need to fill propane. They don't have propane here at the Elko KOA. And also, if you come here thinking you might get a restful night's sleep, there's like an industrial park straight down this hill, and trains run all night long. And then the freeway is so close, and there's some kind of rumble strips that everyone has to drive over, and all night long also.
Meow.
Yeah.
Meow.
Meow. Oh, she cold. Anyway, we got everything scrubbed up. We're on the mission for propane. We are heading west this morning. Let's see where we end up. Well, we ended up at a little, I'll say rest stop, but it's a roadside pullout. It does have a pit toilets here, a couple picnic tables. And this is south of Deno, the Deno Junction in Nevada.
Everyone's heard of that.
It's just 1,000 miles from nowhere. That
Yeah.
has, it's really, you can see the drive here. It's just really in the middle of nowhere, which we find ourselves down these roads often.
Sometimes their car would go by about every half hour.
Yeah, and then a couple cars pulled in this morning and they were talking to each other. They weren't traveling together, but they had just come from the same direction. And they were talking about a bear and bear cub that they had spotted this morning. So maybe we'll get to see a bear. But peaceful night. We are on the move this morning. It's possible. I think we're going to be in Oregon today.
Should we talk about that?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. We got some family stuff we're doing, but that's about probably all we'll talk about for now.
Yeah. We're needed back in Oregon.
Yeah.
And so we kind of had an expedited mission to get back here. So we'll be back today. Pretty exciting. And there's some new areas that we're going to check out we haven't checked out previously. So I'm excited to go see what that's about. Some boondocking spots and yeah, lots of fun stuff. So.
Well, let's go find a laundromat again.
Yeah, so we rolled in here last night, and I don't know, Pistol drank a bunch of water, what happened, but all of a sudden there's just like water vomit on the bed, and
Yeah, just did laundry.
yesterday at the
All the
KOA,
bed.
I mean the day before, at the KOA,
Just
you know,
soak through the blanket, the top sheet, the bottom sheet, the mattress,
mattress cover, all of it, which is
It's weird because she never throws up. She's never sick.
never. And we didn't hear it happen, and she's not, like, we were with her always, so she just must have, I think she burped, you know how sometimes a dog will burp and it just, bleh. But it usually doesn't come out. Anyway, so we cleaned it up, as I scrubbed it and scrubbed it, so
Dried it with a hairdryer before bed last night.
sprayed it with alcohol, but nobody really wants to sleep under that. It was just one spot, but still, so we are looking for a laundromat, but I kind of looked ahead on the map. We're gonna have to travel far for a laundromat, and I did mention we're 1,000 miles from nowhere, so we may have one more night under those blankets and all those sheets, but you know, worse things have happened. She's not sick, she just, I guess, had a little too much water.
All right,
Down the road we go.
thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.